Hey guys, so today I wanted to do a part 3 of my spring cleaning series, if you will. I had so many things that were running through my mind. I was like, you know what? I'm going to do different videos of things that I've learned how to help you during your spring cleaning time. And I have the luxury of being able to look back and think about the times when I had young kids and thinking about what could I have done differently and what did I do right. And so today I'm going to do that. I'm going to talk to you about some of the things that I did right and wrong when my kids were younger. And hopefully you can learn from some of my mistakes and then learn, maybe tweak things to the way that you can use it, the tips that I'm about to share with you. One of the things that I remember I struggled with was my children had major growth spurts. Major growth spurts. Oftentimes they would skip a size, and not just in clothes, but in shoes. It was amazing. I swear to you, my kids did not, I did not give them Miracle-Gro, but it would seem like it. So one of the things I remember doing, and I remembered with my third child, my daughter, and it was so helpful. There were these tabs, I guess, that you could put on the rack, okay? And it has, when you go to the store and it has large, extra large, whatever, they have some for kids. So it'll have like 6 months, 8 months, 9 months, 12 months, and so on. And I got some of those. I can't remember where I got them. It may have been at a yard sale. I know I didn't buy them at the store. They may have been given to me. I can't remember. But they were amazing. And I'm sure now they probably have even better systems than that. But if you can get a hold of those were lifesaver, because I was able to kind of organize my daughter's dresses according to size. And this is the part that was really crazy. I remember that I did that, right? And there were times when the sizes did not match. In other words, a 9-month in a Carter brand may not be the same as 9-month in a Target brand. And so that was one of my challenges. But anyway, I remember that was a really wonderful way to organize. At the same time, I had kids that were in elementary school. So I purchased this thing that hung on the rack, and it hung down. I'm not speaking proper English today. It has like the cubicles for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And then it even had 4 cubicles down below for shoes and socks and underwear, whatever. Not only did that help me to use vertical space in my closet, but it also helped to organize and help the children to kind of be a little bit accountable for what they wore each day. When my kids were in elementary school, they had uniforms, so that made it really easy. But what I did was, because we had different choices, like at that time you could wear a blue, white, red polo shirt. And so I would let them choose, like, what color do you want to wear Monday? And we would just fill the cubicles with their tan pants and their polo shirts. And then on the bottom, I would put their shoes and socks. And that helped them to grab and then get ready in the morning. And it helped save time for me and organize my time. Because organizing time is just as important as organizing your life. And so I remember that was really, really helpful during those years. When you have children different ages, sometimes it does require a little bit of, ingenuity and creativity. And so that's one of the things that I did back in those days. One thing you don't want to do, this is one thing that it did not work for me. I tried to organize in bins, and I tried to organize under the bed, like their clothes and things. That did not work for us. It might work for you, but it didn't work for us. It just created so much mess. It was just hard to keep things clean and organized. I can look back now and I can see the fruits of my labors. Doing that did help some of them to get organized and to have a neater room. Some of them are just born messy. I am married to a messy, so I understand that sometimes it's just innately in them. It's part of their genetics to be a messy. And so you're fighting against Mother Nature sometimes. But I promise you, the little things do help. So hopefully there was something in that, what I just shared with you that you can use. As always, good luck on your journey, and I will talk to y'all soon. Bye.